welcome to Home Ed Looks Like This. And today we are doing an experiment to represent our heart. As it's Valentine's Day, we've been doing a few fun challenges and the children have been looking forward to this experiment for quite some time. Okay, so the heart is one of the most important parts of the body as it pumps out our blood around. But how does the heart work? And to build the heart representation, you need 3 bottles, and we're using just normal 500ml ones. And you need to drill a hole in the top of 2 of the lids, which Daddy did earlier, as you can see. In addition, you need water, which we have in our jug, tape, Play-Doh, and we're using red Play-Doh, and red food dye. And obviously this is our challenge. You also need 4 straws. Now this is a Twinkle resource that I quickly printed off just to show you all an example of what it is. Okay, so the heart is made up of 4 chambers. The 2 upper chambers are known as the atrium and the 2 lower chambers as the ventricles. And the valves control the flow of the blood. So, in our model, the first bottle is the atrium, the second bottle is the ventricle, and the third bottle represents the body or the lungs. It depends on what you want it to represent. We're going to refer to it today as the body. And our fingers will perform the function of the heart valves using the straws. Once it's all prepared and together, the children will squeeze the middle bottle, like that. And another one will squeeze the straws here, between the atrium and ventricle bottles. And the blood should start pumping into the body bottle. The next step is to keep squeezing the middle bottle, but to then pinch the straw, which will be here, between the ventricle and body. And when we release the middle bottle, the blood should move from the atrium into the ventricle. You can then repeat this process. The first step is to add your food colouring, okay? So add 2 drops each to the jug. You can do it at the same time, that's fine. Right, okay? So Anthony, do you want to give that a stir for me? So that now represents our blood, okay?
There's blood all over me. That's because I've been...
Right, now put that lid back on.
Are you kidding me? You got all blood on me.
It's fine.
I'm
And put it back into place.
It's
No!
got holes in the lid, Anthony.
So carefully slide the straws through the bottle caps.
Number 1.
Yeah, you want to make sure that the bendy bit's at the top of the straw, not the bottom.
Yeah.
So this one?
Yeah. And there's 2 straws in that middle one then.
Well done.
Well done, Nimue.
In the blood. Is that the wrong way?
No, it's fine. Here we go, he's got it. Good lad.
isn't my blood.
Right.
So,
Now we need to tape around each of the joints.
we want to pinch off the valve that. I need you to squeeze this bottle. Okay. So squeeze it.
For some,
You might need to use both hands, it's okay. There we
Okay.
go.
So you can see he's going up both straws, but he's blocked off with that valve so it doesn't go back into the atrium and goes out into the body. And then when that releases, blood fills from the atrium into the ventricle and then releases into the body.
So these are some of the worksheets down for the children, again from Twinkle. This is another experiment that we're going to be doing today. And we've got these sheets to record them on. And then Anthony's got this worksheet to do. And then they're both going to make one of the heart models, which they'll find fun. They enjoy stuff like this. And feel how many beats. So you need to count how many times your heart beats against your hand while I'm counting myself. So we decided to use the pulse meter just to confirm our results, didn't we, kids?
yeah.
So this is Anthony's. Let's see if I can just get it to focus. And Anthony's is on average around, I'd say around 85 beats per minute on average. For this next stage of the experiment, the children have to walk slowly around the room. This is after walking slowly, and it's Nimwe's reading. That's how it works. You'll have rested again. So yours has actually dropped to 98.
Mine is on 98.
Yeah, it's dropped. So yours has actually dropped too, Anthony. Yours has dropped to 74 while you're walking. So for this next stage, you both need to jog on the spot.
I don't jog.
Stay still. Right, now jog on the spot. Yours is 81. This is Anthony's. And yours has gone up to 143 after jogging, Ant. Okay, Ant, let's check you first. Turn this on, quick finger in. Let's see, stay still. This is after star jumps. And it's gone up to 148. After star, jumping. Just jump normally if you need to. We're doing Nim's jogging one again. Go on, jog, run on the spot, run as fast as you can. Let's see. So this is the different pulse rate sheet. And as you can see, the children enjoyed this exercise very much. Running round, star jumps, walking slowly, and being extra energetic, shall we say. So yeah, this was a good one. It went down well. As we're stuck indoors, we're going to save the last 2 squares for another day when we can do more. In this activity, the children both have paper heart models, which they're going to cut out. So cut around here, Nim, this big black line, okay?
Okay.
And it has to be kept as one piece. So just cut around the outline. This is what they look like cut out. And then we're going to fold them now, aren't we, kids?
Yep.
And we're going to make our own heart, a real heart. So we need to fold this one here in half. Well, I hope you enjoyed our quick experiment today and have fun repeating it at home. Nim, why are you hiding behind me?
Because just in case he shoots me. Oh, this.
You're actually using me as a human shield, Nimway.
Yeah.